Number 5. The FMS-FMT 10 Chevrolet Colorado is an impressive new RC that perfectly combines realistic scale design with powerful off-road performance, making it a true standout in the world of radio-controlled vehicles. Built on a rugged 1/10 scale platform, this model captures the aggressive styling and bold presence of the full-size Chevrolet Colorado with incredible attention to detail, from its accurately molded body lines and distinctive front grille to the finely crafted light assemblies that give it a lifelike appearance. Underneath the scale body, the truck is engineered with a strong chassis, four-wheel drive system, and durable suspension setup that allows it to tackle challenging terrains with ease, whether it's rocky trails, muddy paths, or sandy dunes. The large off-road tires provide excellent traction and stability, while the high ground clearance ensures that obstacles are no match for its climbing ability. Number 4. The Kyosho Phaser D2 FZD2 is a fresh and exciting ready-to-run 1/10 scale drift car that delivers both style and performance in equal measure, especially designed for those who love sliding over concrete or drifting indoors. Its RWD chassis is built from the ground up for drift control, integrating a built-in gyro unit that modulates both steering and throttle, so even beginners can enjoy smooth countersteer and confident slides. Under the iconic AE86 or 86 GT teal body, you get Kyosho's ultra-scale body, or the Plus version, with lifelike details like molded bumpers, light buckets, manually retractable headlights, mirrors, and even concealed body mounts so that visible mounting posts are minimized for a cleaner, more realistic look. Chassis geometry is very adjustable. You can tweak wheelbase, roughly 240 to 274 millimeters, and tread widths, control caster, roll center, Ackerman angle, and motor position to tune handling to taste. Mechanical parts include a G2 brushed 540 motor, a rigid rear spool, no differential, for sharp drift behavior, oil-filled shocks with red anodized caps, full ball bearings, 16 points in the drivetrain, a 60 AMP ESC with multiple modes, forward, brake, reverse, mounted rearward for better weight balance, and a responsive servo, KS407206W, working together with the gyro. All the electronics come pre-installed. The body is painted and decaled, and plastic drift tires come standard, so you can get going out of the box with minimal setup. The scale, the fine attention to detail, and the tuning flexibility make the Phaser D2 FZD2 not just a showpiece, but a serious drift machine. Number 3. The FMS 1-7 Bronco RTR EB brushless 4WDRS is a beast of an off-road RC truck that blends scale realism with serious power, designed to impress in both appearance and capability. At roughly 650 millimeters long, 350 millimeters wide, and weighing in around 7.5 kilograms, this truck doesn't just look massive, it is massive. Its body is officially licensed from Ford and RTR vehicles, carrying the Ultra 4 style Bronco design, complete with true-to-life details like molded grills, licensed graphics including the Nito Trail Grappler logos, realistic light buckets, and functioning LED lighting up front, in the roof and at the rear, plus scale accessories such as a roll cage and interior features that make it feel more like a display model than a toy. Underneath that tough shell sits a CNC machined metal chassis, reinforced suspension arms, and a rugged drivetrain with front and center differentials, a solid rear axle, and full ball bearings throughout. The shock setup is top tier. 8 aluminum oil-filled shocks that soak up landings, tackle rough terrain, and maintain composure at speed. Performance is driven by a Hobbywing 4274 brushless motor, spinning at about 1600 kV, paired with a 150A waterproof ESC, giving this truck the kind of torque and top speed most RC enthusiasts dream of up to around 80 kilometers per hour when fed with the right battery pack. Steering is handled by a strong 60 kilograms metal gear servo, capable of holding its own, even under load, while splash-proof electronics protect against dust or light water exposure in aggressive off-road use. The drivetrain, suspension geometry, and tires are optimized for grip and control, while features like quick-release body clips, scale trail tire tread, and a well-designed battery compartment round out the package so you can get out into the wild fast and drive hard. Number 2. The Arrma Quake 223 SBLX is a ferocious 1/10 scale brushless monster truck built to deliver raw power, wild performance, and rugged durability, and it grabs your attention the moment you lay eyes on its bold, aggressive design. It comes RTR, ready to run, with Spectrum electronics already installed, including a waterproof 45A ESC and receiver combo that supports both 2S and 3S LiPo battery packs, so it's equally capable of ripping across terrain at about 35 miles per hour on 2S or launching past 50 mph when fed with 3S. Its heart is the Spectrum 3,664,000 kV brushless motor, paired with the S681 metal-geared waterproof digital servo, all mounted in a strong composite chassis that soaks up abuse. The suspension uses oil-filled coilover shocks with adjustable ride height, long suspension arms, and a wide stance to help the Quake stay planted even on loose, rough, or uneven surfaces. Traction comes from grippy D-Boots cut chevron monster truck tires, and there's a wheelie bar to help control wheel-ups while blasting forward. Stability is further enhanced through Spectrum's dynamic stability control, and a throttle limiter on the included SLT2 radio lets you tame the beast until you're ready to unleash full speed. Number 1. The Traxxas Mini/4X4 is a thrilling short-course truck in miniature form that captures all the attitude and performance of its larger siblings while offering compact, high-energy fun. Built on the Mini Max platform, it stretches out a 235 millimeters wheelbase that gives it scale proportions with plenty of room for serious suspension travel. Under the hood, the BL2S brushless powertrain, including a high kV motor, pushes the truck to speeds north of 30 miles per hour, while oil-filled ultra shocks and a full four-wheel drivetrain help it stay planted through rough terrain, jumps, or tight turns. It comes equipped with licensed BF Goodrich Mud Terrain TAKM 3 tires fitted to replica, slash-style wheels for grip and style, and all the hardware like hex bolts are coated for rust resistance to better handle water, mud, or wet grass. The body is clipless, so you get a clean, scale look without visible body posts, and sealed ball bearings throughout the drivetrain keep things rolling smoothly. Weighing in at around 3.6 pounds, about 1.6 kilograms, and with a width of about 215 millimeters, the Mini/4X4 balances nimbleness and rugged build. With everything included RTR battery, charger, electronics, it's ready out of the box for bashing, racing, or scale display with performance that punches well above its size class.